Okay, we're going to do something a little bit different this week when it comes to science and social studies. You guys will still be doing, for science, your mystery science lessons, and then for social studies, you'll still be doing your scholastic news. I will send home the scholastic news, so you should have it in your red folder, okay? The scholastic news that we will be doing is this one. It's called All About Abe, okay? We're going to be doing this one this week, and it'll be it's sent home in your child's red folder. So what I did want to tell you that is different though, and this video will be the same on all 3 days, but what is different is the last slide. It says, on a scrap piece of paper, I want you to tell me one thing you learned from this scholastic news or from the mystery science. Please remember to use capitals, good spacing, and punctuation. Put the sentence in your folder and give it to me on your next school day, okay? So you're going to think about what you learned either in the mystery science or the scholastic news. And you're going to start your sentence by, I learned, okay? And then you're going to tell me what you learned about, okay? So one thing you learned about for the mystery science or the scholastic news. Again, this video will be the same the first 3 days, okay? This is just letting you know what's different, okay? Because I want you guys to practice some writing. I've had a couple of parents reach out to me and just say that you need some more help practicing writing at home. So this is just one tiny way that we can start doing that, and then we'll start doing it a little bit more each week. Okay, let me know if you have questions.